is going to be the headquarters of this new district. This is a very, very important point. Number one. Number two, what I've told you is that now with this decision being made, we will now do the permutation combination of the areas which we can bring in to this district. Now that cannot be decided by me sitting here. It has to be decided by going for public hearing, getting the people along. Tomorrow, if peninsula areas in the region that are there, Deputy CM may say yes or no, but the public may not agree. We don't know yet. So therefore, we cannot just simply sit down here and say that, oh, only Sohra constituency and only Shala constituency will be here. It's not for Sohra or Shala constituency. It is for this region as a whole to have a district so that people can get access from all corners of China. So tomorrow, if we just simply move ahead without doing our due diligence, after deciding that Sohra will be the headquarters, then we will be doing a mistake. And people will say that this government has just jumped in without thinking back or forward and being irresponsible and just trying to do things for election. We are not here to just to do for election. We are here to really serve the people. We are here to ensure that we do the right thing, not the fast just trying to do things for election. We are not here to just to do for election. We are here to really serve the people. We are here to ensure that we do the right thing, not the fastest thing. We are not here just to simply make a decision just because, we are all sitting here and we have to take the decision. It's not like that. We are responsible leaders. We cannot just take irresponsible decisions. But, as I said, if you recall and if you remember last meeting we had, we were still debating whether the district headquarters will be here or somewhere else. Will the district be created? Yes or no? We were still moving around because the three belts that are there, the three ranges that are there, Mausangram area, the Sohra Shala zone, and the Peninsula Dauki zone. Now, in these three areas, because of the gorges and the valleys here, how do we connect these areas? Do we create bridges to bring them all? Because if it's southwest, then it has to be entire southeast. Then it has to be entire southeast region that has to come in. Now, if all these regions to come in, is it logical for Mausangram to come all the way here? Is it logical for Peninsula to come all the way here? If they're not logical, then do we change the headquarters and bring it to some junction where everybody can be accessed? All this confusion was there because earlier when we had not done the homework, we were made to understand that it would be very simple and we would get all this region together. And that's the reason why we felt that it should not be a problem. But when these complications started coming up and people started saying we can't travel from there to Sohra. Mausangram cannot travel from Mausangram to Sohra. We rather go to Shillong. And then we started thinking, oh, then what do we do? Then suggestions came in, let's shift the headquarters. And that's the reason why this whole decision was stopped at that point in time. Because we felt that if we just move blindly, then we will make a mistake. And we will not just make a mistake, but a lot of people will be unhappy. And hence we said, let us do it, but do it slow and after discussion and after consultation. But what I am announcing today to you, and it's very, very, very important decision, is that no matter what now tomorrow happens, if tomorrow the other regions are coming or not coming, if you are able to convince them to be part of this, Sohra will be the district and the headquarters. That is the most important thing. We're not going to change that now. Now we're going to work around this decision and try to convince people or try to create the infrastructures so that accessibility for Peninsula area could be maybe through a bridge or some road. For the Mausangram area, maybe through some bridge or some road. I don't know if it's possible or not right now. But for me to then announce it and say it's going to happen, it would be a very irresponsible point for my point of view at this point in time.